So here's the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and this is Corolla Beach right here. I'm gonna go off-roading in our Land Rover here at Corolla Beach, and maybe we will see some wild horses along the way. So here we go. This is a 2006 Land Rover LR3, and we've got it in the sand mode right now since the sand dunes tend to build up quite a bit back here. The sand can get a little deep at times. And actually we're going to slow down right here because off to the side of the road there are some wild horses grazing. You just roll down the window and get a better look there. These are the wild horses of Corolla. They are Spanish Mustangs. There's about 117 in the herd altogether. That's a couple mares that are grazing right there. And you can hear the stallion off in the distance behind that brush right there. So we'll continue on here. Oh, here are some stallions fighting up here. Okay, so we can go ahead and we'll move along here. I'm going to go through some water here. And you can see all the dunes out here. And then here is quite a big hill that we're going to come up on. Basically what we're going to do is go up over these couple sand dunes, these hills that you see in front of us. And we will continue on, and then we'll be back out of the ocean again. So here we go. And the key to not getting stuck is keeping your foot on the gas pedal. Because like I said earlier, the sand can get pretty deep. And we'll make a left-hand turn here. And we are back out of the ocean. So pretty awesome. So if you ever get a chance to come out to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, this is definitely one place to come see.